Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with Mastercode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So in today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and start talking about strings. It's a specific data type in programming. More specifically, we're going to focus on strings in Python. All right. So if you're new to programming, you may be wondering what a string is, and what a string is textual data, like characters, like ABC, 1, 2, 3, something like that. And they're in a specific sequence and they're immutable. So once they're saved to whatever device you're writing your program on, once they're saved in the memory, you cannot change that. The only way you can change something like that is by creating a new one. Alright, so that's what immutable means. Sequence means that they're in a specific order. So we'll look at that in a second. Right. Let's go ahead and write our first string here. So we'll say A is equal to, and we're going to use single quote, alright, because we encapsulate strings in quotes. They can be single, double, triple quotes, alright? So we'll say hello underscore, or get comma, world, like this. All right, so that's just string. All right, another one would be B is equal to hello world, just like that. All right, and when you do C is equal to triple single quotes, and say hello world, like that. And we could also do D is equal to triple double quotes, hello world. Oops, world, like this. Now if we call it A, we get hello world. If we call B, we get hello world. If we call C, we get hello world, and D, hello world. They're all the same up here, right? They're immutable, which they cannot be changed once they're saved to the memory, and they're also in a specific sequence. And what I mean by that is, if we start at 0, we always start at 0 when we're figuring out the index of each character, alright? So we go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 12 characters. I counted the white space in here because that also counts. So this would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, alright? So that's how we get those characters if we want to specifically get them. So just as an example, we say A. If I want to get the E up here, I put in a square bracket and I put a 1 and a square bracket, hit return, and I can get the E. So that's how we index or get the specific character from a string. Now, don't worry too much about that. We're going to get into that in a future tutorial here, and we'll talk about it more in depth. So that's the basics of a string. I'll see you in the next tutorial where we keep digging into strings.